competent teachers, dear parents, fellow graduates, friends, guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. Today marks a very significant event in our lives, our graduation day. After 6 long years of toils and struggles, we have finally hurdled the traditional challenges of the grade school. It is indeed an honor to be here in front of you on this momentous occasion. It is not easy to be where I am right now. This is the product of consistent hard work, perseverance, discipline, and faith in God. I have experienced many challenges and difficulties. I remember when we were in grade 1, I was second in our class. I did not stop dreaming of being on top. I never gave up and never lost hope. I doubled and even tripled my efforts. And thank God, when we were in grade 3, I hit the mark. I was first honors in our class from then on. How happy I am, reaping the fruits of my perseverance. To you, my fellow graduates, I challenge you. Follow and go after your dreams. Never stop trying. Never give up. Do your best because God will do the rest. At this juncture, I wish to extend my profound gratitude to all who have helped me realize my dreams. To my fellow graduates, with whom I shared love, joy, and dreams throughout the years, accept my warmest congratulations for a job well done. Thank you for the wonderful times we have shared together. My journey has become lighter because you have been one with me. We have always been together through thick and thin. I will cherish every moment that we have been through. Soon, we will momentarily go our own ways. We will be missing each other, but rest assured, you are in my heart. To our competent, committed, and compassionate teachers, thank you for molding our young minds and hearts. You challenge us to live with so many assignments every day, quizzes in almost all subjects every week, and projects as of week every month. You always push us almost to the limit, and that made us responsible and well-rounded individuals. At this point in time, we humbly apologize for all the times we have hurt you, for the times we disobeyed you, and for causing you troubles. My fellow graduates, let us stand. And let us say, teachers, thank you. We salute you.
Teachers, thank you. We salute you.
Amen.
To our loving parents, we extend our deepest gratitude for bringing us into this world. Thank you for sending us to this prestigious Catholic institution. We will never forget the sacrifices you have done for us. We are always there to support and guide us in all our undertakings. We make this day filled with joy, and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Dear parents, you are our inspiration in reaching out for our dreams. We promise that we will fail you. Fellow graduates, let us stand and let us say, thank you and I love you, parents.
Thank you, and I love you, parents.
To our alma mater, you have always provided us shelter, comfort, and safety away from home. Thank you so much. We thank you too for the Catholic education we have received. We were molded not only mentally, emotionally, physically, but more importantly, spiritually.
Saan? Di ko kaya kabesa yun.